went to photograph my Jeep for the thumbnail. And there's a homeless guy up there. No, I think you're gonna fall and die.
Slide! Whoa, yeah! 7 meters a second. Oh, that's great. Yeah!
Marching along, we are marching along. Turn off the armor and be marching along. McClellan's our leader, he's gallant and strong. For God and our country, we are marching along.
Our wives and our children we leave in your care. We feel you will help them with sorrow to bear. 'Tis hard thus to part, but we hope 'twon't be long. We'll keep up our hearts as we're marching along. Marching along, we are marching along. Good on the armor and be marching along. McClellan's our leader, he's gallant and strong. For God and our country we are marching along.
So today we'll be making this highly requested MG Jeep. The reason why I'm calling it an MG Jeep is because although there were a lot of other Jeeps made in World War II, they are not that different. So this is just a
Our cause is the right one, our foes in the wrong. Then gladly we'll sing as we're marching along. Marching along, we are marching along. Gird on the armor and be marching along. McClellan's our leader, he's gallant and strong. For God and our country we are marching along.
To start off, here's a reference image. So I actually made this Jeep already, but it was actually really small. Too small. So now I'm making another one, and this time I'm actually gonna get the scale right. The first thing you want to do is cut out the side. This should be really easy, just cut out how the side looks like. And also, I'm back at my old table. This is how old this tutorial is. When you cut out two sides of the Jeep, it's time to make the flooring. I lined up the pieces like this. Then I bent the bottom piece to line up with the sides. After that, I glue on some more pieces to fill in the bottom. This Jeep should be pretty easy to make. Under the Jeep, I also wanted to make this extruded smaller part. This is where the wheels will go. On this side of the Jeep, I'm using paper to make the curved area. And in the middle will be that cardboard extruding part for the wheels. And when you're done building the base of the Jeep, you can fill in the insides. I also add on the window frame and the bumpers. For this Jeep, I also wanted to add on a rotating machine gun. You can see it in action in the stop motion I made. I just use a knife to bore a hole into the paper or cardboard. After that, I stick in a cocktail stick or some sort of thin pipe. To make the machine gun, I just carve it out of wood. The wood is just a popsicle stick, and you can add some cardboard onto the wood to make it look like an actual machine gun. When you're done, you can glue it onto the pipe. And in order to make sure the machine gun doesn't actually just pop off the hole, I use some hot glue to make like a little covering. When all that's done, I cut out some wheels from foam. For this build, I'm just using static wheels where they don't actually move. When you're done making the wheels, you can paint it all. The wheels are painted black and the Jeep is painted tan. The machine gun is also painted, and I also add these little circles on the wheels to make them look like actual wheels. For the windshield, I just wrap some tape around it, and now you're basically done. So thank you for requesting this Jeep. This is probably one of my shortest tutorials out. Oh, and also I filmed this stop motion at the farm that I was at because I was bored, so you can watch it because I don't know what to do with it.